Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the consolidation here on BNGO continues late day today. A little interesting here. Got some green movement, but overall, nothing has really changed. And this is all about kind of your perspective going in. So when I say nothing has really changed, I get it. If you're a day trader, you could be saying, what are you talking about, Clay? The price was I mean, it was chopping back and forth, up and down today. And I'm not disagreeing. You're absolutely right. But taking a step back and looking at more than just one day, the price is still firmly right between these two levels that I've talked about time and time again. So for those of you longtime viewers, you're probably getting annoyed of me talking about these levels, but I'm sorry, there's nothing else, I can do. The price is simply stuck between these two levels, and it has created this very identifiable sideways channel pattern, which is an important part because when, patterns are identifiable, meaning a lot of people have taken notice of them, then that means that a lot of people are watching them and wondering the same exact thing. And when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same exact thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely, produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with each of these levels. So a lot of people are going to be watching 450, and this is not guaranteed. I'm just saying it's a more than plausible thought to have. But if the price were to come down to 450, behave in that manner, and then break to the downside, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure because, again, you're going to have a lot of people watching that area. Same exact logic is true for the opposite side of things. Nothing guaranteed, but it's more than valid to think that if the price were to able to work its way up to the top side of that channel and then get the break up through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that's really the big dynamic moving forward, not necessarily just in a Friday, but over the next few days is who is ultimately going to win out. Are the bulls going to win out by getting the break to the upside of the channel, or the bears going to win out by getting the break to the downside of the channel? All that remains to be seen, but those are going to be the two main levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.